Let's make the Pink Rum Drink. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today, we are going to make the Pink Rum Drink. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this rum drink. The Pink Rum Drink was inspired by the creation of the Pink Drink, not the one from Starbucks, by Jay the Bartender and my friend Bart Brubaker. The Pink Drink has a split base of dark rum, black rum technically, and a vodka. Vodka, I don't understand vodka. White rum is better than vodka. Hashtag white rum is better than vodka. So I thought, why don't I make a pink drink that was based on just rum with no vodka in it? I asked Bart about it because I didn't want to step on his toes, and he says, yeah, if you create something that's just rum, it's no longer the pink drink, name it something else, it's all yours. I'm like, great, the Pink Rum Drink it is. If you'd like to know more about the pink drink, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can check it out for yourself. A note on the rums. There are 2 rums in this drink. Harkening back to the original pink drink, there is a black rum, and to replace the vodka, there is a white rum. Today I'll be using Gosling's and Bacardi, but you can use any black rum that you like and any white rum that you like. And if you find a winning combination, let me know what it is in the comments down below. To make this drink, we are going to start with our coconut water. 1.5 ounces of coconut water is 45 milliliters, and use any coconut water that you desire. 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice, and the original pink drink recipe does call for ocean spray, which has sweetener in it. I'm using unsweetened organic. You don't have to use organic, but use unsweetened. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Simple syrup. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters of 1:1 simple syrup. I'm using raw cane sugar. Simple syrup, use white if you so desire. And if you want to get really spicy, try a brown, see how that turns out. 1 ounce of your white rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of your black rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. I'm going to grab my garnish quick. Garnish grabbed. I'm going to single strain this into the glass. And I'm going to drop 1 maraschino cherry in there. And there you have it. The Pink Rum Drink. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Do you prefer unsweetened or sweetened cranberry juice when making drinks with cranberry juice? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Just contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.